We do play with fireworks, we do light our diyas, we do eat our murukus, but one thing we don't do is calling it our New Year. I think that is the common misconception everyone has.
The word Deepavali literally means a row of lights. It therefore symbolizes light over darkness, good over evil, truth over untruth. And it's a beautiful period of renewal of the spirit.
It's usually celebrated with my loved ones, my family and friends. They come over, we eat, we laugh, we talk. No phones, no technology, just us, people in the present.
My favorite moment is making snacks with my family. We love gathering together in the kitchen, making muruku, adirasam, omapudi. Even the children are there. My mom and I, we always share tips and tricks on how to make our recipes even tastier.
The day usually begins with an oil bath. We call it Ganga Snanam. It is a really significant tradition. Even we all can do it because it symbolizes purification. When I do it early in the morning, trust me or not, it's really refreshing. I feel so fresh, and whatever sorrows and everything left behind is all gone. I'm going to start focusing on the next day with a fresh start.
We cannot go without fireworks. That's definitely the best part during this festival. It's definitely fun lighting the fireworks up and watching the mesmerizing lights. But there's a part of it that constantly reminds me that a little bit of spark and hope can really go a long way when it comes to turning a dark moment around.
To me, Deepavali is a time to press that reset button. It's a time to pause from work, from busy schedules and even our phone screens. It's a time to cherish that lovely bond with our family and friends. Because the real lights of Deepavali are our loved ones.
When I was younger, my mother told me that the reason we do columns with rice flour is so that we could feed the ants, birds and other smaller animals. And to me, I find that very interesting because such a simple tradition has the ability to teach us values of kindness, generosity as well as coexistence.
Something amazing about Deepavali is that we celebrate it in unison. Because it's not just about tolerating everyone, it's about respecting each other's culture. And during Deepavali, we all get together. It strengthens our bond, we learn new things. And I feel that is the biggest and the greatest takeaway from Deepavali. Personally, I feel no celebration of festival should be done alone. And I also feel that when things are done together, the outcome is even more better.
I'm Professor Kavita, and this is how I celebrate Deepavali.
Vanakkam, I'm Anish, and this is what Deepavali means to me.
My name is Priya and this is my Deepavali.